Hey guys, and welcome back. I know we're in a little bit different of a setup, but I wanted to try something new on my channel. So I'm going to try a mini series that's called Tip Tuesday. So basically every Tuesday I'll upload a video on either makeup tips, mom life tips, organizational tips for your house, things such as that. Now these videos won't be long at all because I wanted to gear it towards, the busy lifestyle. So in today's video, I thought I would show you how I quickly and effectively clean my makeup brushes. So I kind of keep it nice and simple. I only need a few things. Obviously your dirty brushes. I have a cleaning mitt right here, and then I use Dial soap, and I choose the antibacterial one just because I want to make sure that I get off any of that bacteria that might have built up on my brushes that can cause breakouts and things even worse than that. So if you find this helpful, please give me a thumbs up, as well as please subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get into this. Alright, so the first thing that I always do is I always just make sure that I use a clean bar of soap. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. And what I'll just do is I'm going to go ahead and wet it. Then I just throw in my mitt here. And then basically what I do is I just swirl the brush into the soap a little bit. And then I just do a circular motion, making sure I go to the different textures of the mitt to make sure that it really gets that soap deep into the bristles. Now you want to make sure that this is always pointed down because you don't want to get any kind of water or soap into the furl, which is this part right here, because that's where the bristles are glued to. So if you start getting that wet and everything, what's going to happen is your brush is going to start to fall apart. Do this for about 30-45 seconds. Then I go ahead and I'll rinse off the mitt as well as the brush. And basically I'll just do the same process for every brush. Now I always make sure that I go ahead and I kind of rinse it off periodically. That way you get off any of the buildup that you have, built up basically on the mitt. And I'll just give it one more rinse off and put it on the pile. Okay, so when it comes to beauty blenders, what I like to do is completely saturate them like you would when you, get them wet to apply your foundation. So I'll do that first. And then I just basically go over the soap on each side of it to kind of absorb some into it. And then I'll go ahead and I'll rinse it off. And you can kind of see all of the foundation that's coming out of it. And I'll go ahead and I'll do this a couple times until I see that the water is clear. Now the reason I won't use the mitt in order to clean my sponges is because they kind of destroy them, so you don't want that. Alright, so as you can see, I didn't do all the brushes that were in my pile. I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of the process that I do for brushes and for my sponges. So after I'm done cleaning them, what I'll do is I'll lay out 2 towels. One will be the clean that they'll lay on, and then there's one that's kind of built up under here so that they dry and I have the bristles facing down. That way there's no moisture that gets into this furl part that would mess up your brush altogether. So what I start by doing is just kind of swirling them around a little bit to get their natural shape back in order, and then I'll just lay it like this. And I'll just do that for every brush. Alright, so I'll just leave them here overnight and then they'll be good to go in the morning. So that about wraps that up for what I do. Again, all you need is some clean towels, antibacterial soap. You don't even need the mitt. If you didn't want to use that, you could just, swirl it on your hand. That's what a lot of people do. I just found this at TJ Maxx, I think for a couple bucks, so I figured why not. As you can see, I made the process really quick and easy. There's nothing to it. I don't have a lot of time to begin with my kids, so I need something that's quick and easy and I'll just get the job done. So if you found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next Tip Tuesday. Bye guys.